Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2014 Honda SH125. We're going to grab the camera and have a close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go in and have a close look at this Honda. It is HPI clear. It's had a full government mileage check. It's only one form of keeper. And it does have a data tag with it. So we're going to have a good look at the front and work all the way around the bike for you. And this is in, it's like a pearlescent white, the colour on it. We'll start up here and move over to so we're onto the left hand side of the bike. As you can see, it does have ABS brakes on this model. Get a good look at the plastics on it, all over. Let's have a good close look over on this left hand side. Get a good look low down. As you can see, it does have the side stand as well as the centre stand. And it's also got the fold down rear pegs. If you passed your test and you want to carry a passenger, you can do. Get a good look at the plastics over on this side. And get a good look at the seat. This also does come with a Honda top box, which is matching colour coded. Let's get a good look at it from the back. And we'll move over to the right hand side. Try and get a good close look in there. A good look at the exhaust. Let's get a look over at the plastics on this side, on the right hand side. Let's get a good look low down. And what we'll do now is we'll go and have a close look up at the controls and get the exact mileage off it for you. Right, let's go and take a look at the controls. So over on this side you've got your front brake, your engine kill on there, your starter. Move over to the left hand side, you've got your back brake, your lights, your horn, your indicators. So we will turn this on. Get a look at the mileage, it's done 11,615 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, any close-ups of anything you want to see in particular, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.